All right, big shout out to Roberto from Exedy. Just received the hyper clutch for the 350Z. Can't wait to have this installed. Let's open her up. All right. I see some decals. Oh, nice. Definitely nice shirt. License plate frames, decals, license plate frame. Ooh, these are nice and shiny. Wow. Definitely putting these on. Shirt. Oh, nice. Now that's an awesome shirt. So this is the second time I open a twin disc clutch from the same brand, Exedy. The other one I have for my 86, and every time I open the box, wow, just look at that. This would be able to show, but obviously it's gonna be inside of the bell housing. But wow, just look at it. Just look at the details. Holy